Let me tell you, I'll quote an example. I was asked, since my game was hockey and cricket, favorite game, though by virtue of being in defense, got chance to play a lot of games, and by virtue of my school also. But hockey and cricket I had mentioned. And my interviewing officer, he had asked me one question, tell me your best inning. And when I told him that in one of the match I scored 38 runs, that was my best inning, as per my consideration. He smiled and he was thinking what kind of cricketer you were, though I had represented my district also. And at the age of juniors, somehow I got a chance to represent at senior level. And from his smile, I could make out he is not impressed with my answer. But to my good luck, he said, by just scoring 38 runs, you are so happy. I had to tell him, sir, those were the days like when this fast scoring had not come up to the school level, though World Cup 75 79 had started, had already taken place. But then I had to tell him, sir, I opened this inning and I was not out till the end. And my team had scored only 72 runs. Now he was very eager to know. He said, then there must be 7-8 extras also. I said, sir, I don't exactly remember. I remember my 38 runs in which I had 4 boundaries. But I opened the inning, my housemaster had given me a task कि out नहीं होना है. Because he knew कि only in this game my house was not good. We were the champion house, but cricket was slightly weak. He had only told me, he had in fact threatened me कि तू out हो गया तो छोड़ूंगा नहीं. And as a sincere soul, I kept my batting, I kept on scoring runs, and on other side wickets were falling down. Though then I had to tell him that I have got better scores as a batsman, but this was my best inning. And even today, when I have retired, I remember that in that 38 runs I had scored 4 boundaries, and I was not out till the end. Now he was impressed. He said, yes, remaining not out. I was remembering, though that time, of course, I was student only. That was very fresh memories I had. But knowing correct details of your game, and always you can recollect these things. Any of your favorite moment of that particular game, whether it is education, whether it is outdoor activity, whether it is games, whether it is co-curricular activities, when you are involved, you will surely remember. Even today, when somebody asks me what is the best inning I have played, even sometimes my kids, when first time I told them 38 runs, they also smiled. What is 38 for an opener? But for me, and it was a wonderful inning, I never forget, because other team was very strong, and I was so happy to defend that wicket, because you see, 38, let us add another 8 or 10 runs, makes 48, minus out of 72, it is hardly a score by rest of the 10 players. But, and mind it, we won this match. When I told the interviewing officer, he was so happy, he felt good in fact. He was, now this smile was slightly different than the smile which was there when I initially told him 31. Kindly remember facts. The small story which I told you just to tell, remember facts and figure. Dear future officers, as a trend, before every important exam, whether it is FCAT, NDA, CDS, and even CGL and other supportive exams, I always take out a MCQ paper, PDF, for the aspirants. And now the next paper which I will be taking out will be for FCAT, which is in the last week of August. So in first week of August, my MCQ will be there on the net. You can download. For a very minimal payment I have kept. And my sincere advice to you is, that read the questions very carefully. My question itself generally carries 2 to 3 questions in themselves. It has got answer for 2 to 3 questions. There may be direct questions and there may be indirect questions on those particular topics. Read it carefully. That's why I have taken it out almost a month before. I am very sure it will help you. You can share this with your friends also. Dear future army officers, you may not be clear about some of the things. You can put your questions into comment box, and if you desire of getting such material in future, kindly like and subscribe